Hey guys, got a new hotel.
Obviously, we gotta change it up again.
We can only stay in one place for 5 days at a time. Even if it's switching back to the place we just were, we can't stay in the same spot. It's like in Dubai, we were at one hotel, and then we're like, oh, let's go to this hotel. Oh, back to that hotel. You gotta just move it up. So to end our work days that we've had these last couple days, I'm just gonna go down, get set up, go to bed early. We've got barely any sleep, and tomorrow things are getting nutty. Ooh, let's get some food. Back on the streets. There's our hotel.
There's that university apparently that the hotel is a guest house for.
We're staying in. It's a hotel and people that go to this school, which doesn't look like a school at all. Apparently they go there. If there's one thing Mangalore needs more of, it's sidewalks. That is for sure. Bigger, wider sidewalks. I mean, like, there's literally just not a sidewalk right here at all. Let's go down this street. All right, we got the good old market over here. Interesting. We got our... It's always hard because you expect this street like this, like in Europe, to just be a walking street, but it's not. There will be cars. Another ice cream shop.
Oh my god. A bus stops to pick up 2 people and then it...
Oh, this place is absolutely crazy.
A lot of buses. It's all buses.
Beavers. My god, that's so loud. Is there a point to this?
I don't know.
I feel like they're just doing it to do it at this point. Oh, there's a rickshaw right behind you. The past 5 days we've been out in a nice quiet neighborhood, and we are right back in it.
Yeah, right on the side of the road.
And just get some Jimmy's cocktail.
I'm Jimmy Neutron.
Jimmy Neutron. What's a frack? Well, there's some Bindu right there we can grab. Oh, we can grab some of these. All right, montage of putting water into cart.
He's gonna be fracking heavy as well.
Water.
Water boy.
Jeez, that looks like it's not gonna hold on.
No. It's pulling the wrong way.
Now we're playing the game of will this bag rip and roll into the street and murder somebody on a moped.
The last one we got at Spar did rip the other day.
Oh gosh, I see a tear. There's an incision. We're dead.
This one should be fine.
Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let's see. Oh, I'm so thirsty. We're doing the Matt Stoney water challenge. We have to drink all 4 of these and this one and that one and those in the next 10 minutes.
What about the juice?
Including the juice. Oh, and that one over there.
Oh, okay. And the laundry detergent?
Yes. That'll be the grand finale.
All right.
And yeah, that'll be the end of the YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Ducky will be here waiting for whoever wants to get him. Or he'll jump, I'm not sure yet.
Looks like he wants to jump, to be honest.
Sorry, Duck. American food.
The fracking Beatles are over there.
OMG. Those are the Beatlers. They were here once. Incredible.
Trying to sing a song from them. Something about a submarine.
Come together right now over me. The audio might not be the best in here. There's a fan going, there's music going, but Sizzler Ranch in Mangalore. I figured before we start our Mangalorean cuisine indulgence after our workday that we show it to a highly recommended American restaurant. So today
We got some balls.
we got some balls. We got sausage cheese balls and corn cheese balls, crazy corn cheese balls. And it's going to be interesting to try both of them right here, right now. Let's start with the sausage.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Wow,
juicy.
look at that.
This one squirted out some juices.
GoPro doesn't.
Oh, dude.
Oh. Wow, thank you. Here's my schnitzel, chicken schnitzel. That looks amazing. Those fries look delicious. This looks amazing. The cross section of the cheese ball here. Wow.
So far, it's looking good. What's the taste gonna be like?
We're gonna find out. Alright, so let's try these sausage cheese balls. These look, the cross section is amazing.
Oh, so cheesy.
So cheesy. Let's dink this mother. Oh my god.
That is very good.
Those are incredible. The cheese inside is so good too. We're not pros yet, so if the audio is terrible, eventually we will get, like, you know, when we are pro taste testers. Let me taste one of these fries. It looks like they're all seasoned up and glorious.
It's similar to the one we got yesterday.
Oh, got a little kick to it.
Oh,
Might be hairy fries.
really?
That's pretty fragging good. Try one of these corn crazers.
Oh, that ranch. Like,
Ready to go crazy with this corn?
well, I'm cuckoo for corn puffs, so.
Point, point. Okay.
Same cheese as the other one.
But there's corn inside.
Makes it a little bit sweeter, very slightly.
I think I literally had like 3 pieces of corn in mine. Whoa. Oh, okay. We got some sauce inside? Alright, something's going on in here. Looks good. Whoa, we have like a crust of these.
There's a lot.
Whoa, are these like chips? I don't know what's happening. There's a lot happening here. Wow. Alright. Let's try this. So I thought maybe it was tomato sauce or something. It's definitely some sort of like tikka masala, something like that in there. It's really tasty. You mix it with the delicious cheese and whatever the frick this stuff is. Some sort of bread, a naan or a roti or something. We don't know the difference between the spices yet.
No, we just know they are spices.
Yeah.
Like this ranch has some in it.
That's super good. Super good. Oh. Can't wait for this whole thing to get copyright clapped. Or for the audio to speak.
Yeah, it's not going to be good audio, I'm sure.
This is awesome. It's spicy. It's like they took Indian and mashed it with cheesy American goodness.
The fusion.
Oh, baby. And I guess it's schnitzel, so it's straight up Austria. Guys, we thought this wasn't coming, and I am full. How are you? Getting there?
Definitely getting there.
He started eating my other half, and then suddenly this cracker comes out. That is big.
It is double the size of that other one.
Oh god.
All right, so we got some pineapple here, some peppers, some fries, some red fruit, maybe tomato, I don't know.
I think it's
Ton of onions, some cauliflower.
I expect you to finish all of it.
Easy. The bottom is just all fried.
What the heck? It was boiling a moment ago.
Oh. Reminds me exactly of Kinkali meat. Try it. Just a little bit. It's Kinkali meat from Georgia.
That aftertaste. Yeah, what the heck?
Got 4 patties here. There's an absurd... No, I guess it's not as deep as it looks. Even got some peas. Oh, they're hot. Next up is the brownie.
Oh, baby. I don't think we needed the brownie,
No.
but on the website it said you must get it. It's a must-have, so we have to must-have it.
If we aren't having the must-haves, what are we must-having?
Why are we here? We're here to review restaurants in India. See out the brownie.
Brownie.